feel like you've tried almost every side hustle out there? Do you feel like you just aren't seeing results? Does making more money feel nearly impossible? Well, let me let you in on a little secret. Your thought process about money may be sabotaging your results. Welcome to Black Girl Finance, where we are empowering you to take control of your finances and build wealth. Today, we're talking about the 5 ways your mindset may be stopping you from making money, and more importantly, how to fix it. Are you ready to learn how to shift your mindset and start making money? Let's dive in. 1. Limiting beliefs. One of the biggest mindset barriers to making money is our limiting beliefs. These are the thoughts and beliefs we have about ourselves and our abilities that hold us back from achieving our full potential. For example, if you believe that you're not good with money, you'll be less likely to make smart financial decisions. To fix this, start by challenging your limiting beliefs and replacing them with positive affirmations. 2. Fear of failure. Fear of failure is another mindset barrier that can hold us back from making money. We're often afraid to take risks or try new things because we're scared of failing. But the truth is, failure is a natural part of the learning process. To overcome this fear, focus on your long-term goals and take small steps towards achieving them. Remember, even small steps can lead to big results. 3. Lack of confidence. Another mindset barrier is a lack of confidence. If you don't believe in yourself and your abilities, you'll be less likely to take risks and put yourself out there. To build confidence, start by focusing on your strengths and accomplishments. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may be. And remember, confidence is something that can be built over time with practice and experience. 4. Focusing on obstacles. When you focus on obstacles, you give them more power and they become bigger in your mind. This can hold you back from making money because you become so focused on the challenges that you can't see the opportunities. To fix this, shift your focus towards solutions instead of problems. Instead of dwelling on what's not working, focus on what you can do to make things work. 5. Lack of action. Finally, one of the biggest mindset barriers to making money is a lack of action. It's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis, where you overthink things and never take action. But the truth is, action is the only way to achieve your goals. There you have it. 5 ways your mindset may be stopping you from making money and how to fix it. By challenging your limiting beliefs, overcoming your fear of failure, building your confidence, focusing on opportunities, and taking action towards your goals, you can shift your mindset and start making money today. Remember, you have the power to create the financial future you desire. So go out there and make it happen.